This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Edge. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need about 5 quarts of 5W20 synthetic blend motor oil and a new oil filter. Always ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and secured on jack stands before starting any work underneath. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now, let's get that old oil out. Locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan, usually found underneath the engine. Position your drain pan directly below the plug to ensure you catch all the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug, being mindful of the hot oil. Let it drain completely, which usually takes several minutes, ensuring your engine is ready for fresh lubrication. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter, then tighten the drain plug securely. Finally, add approximately 5.5 quarts of new 5W20 engine oil through the fill cap. After refilling, check the oil level with the dipstick and add more if necessary to reach the full mark. Start your engine for 1 minute to circulate the new oil, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks around the filter or drain plug. Don't forget to reset your vehicle's oil life monitoring system. Also, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals to keep your car fresh. This ensures your Ford Edge is ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.